Hi there, my name is Lisa and I'll show you in that video how to change some presettings in the BICsuite scheduling system and adapt them to your needs. In the last workshops we had to set the exit state profile to standard for each new job or batch, and we had to select an environment in the Run tab. I want to make it faster in the future and therefore I'll define these settings to default. The place to do that is the BICsuite web users area. On the left side of the screen you see the list of existing user profiles. I create a new profile with my name Lisa and type in a password twice. For the color scheme I choose gray. In the time zone field I keep Europe Berlin. I'll show you later how you can easily add more time zones to the selection list. In the BICsuite server connections area I have to define some details about the server. For this I create a new line, type in a name for the connection, and select my favorite server. In the user and password fields I enter the access data for the server. Basically I always use the same environment server at localhost, and I want it to be pre-selected when I create a new job or batch. For that reason I define it as the default environment. The two boxes default and server default must be activated. With create I save the settings for my new account. To add more time zones and set the default option of the exit state profile to standard, I have to enter the SOAP zone. To do this, I copy the URL to the clipboard and open a new browser tab, insert the address and type manage to enter the SOAP management. What we need here is the custom area and there the time zones. Now you see the complete list of the available time zones, but all the lines except Europe, Berlin and GMT are marked with hashes. The so marked lines are not visible in the selection box. You can see that the selection list would otherwise be quite long. Now I want to add the time zones for New York and Tokyo to the selection. So in order to do that I activate the search function of the browser using Ctrl F and enter NEW. And here we are. I just have to delete the hash mark and search for Tokyo. Okay, here it is. Remove that hash mark too and save the actual configuration. To set the exit state profile by default, I go back to the custom area and open the properties tab. Here I click on the field Default Exit State Profile, choose Standard, written in uppercase, and save those changes. After a refresh in the web users window, the time zones appear in the selection. To find out if all settings work properly, I'll log in with my new account. To do this, I close all browser windows and enter the BICsuite system again. Now I type in the name and password which I entered before, and go back to batches and jobs. When I choose new and job, I see the last changes. The exit state profile offers the option standard. In the tab Run, the environment offers server at localhost. Everything's good so far, great. In the next tutorial I'll show you how the time scheduling in the BICsuite works. Then we will put the newly established time zones to profit. Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. Until the next video, bye bye.